why do I have a toy lawnmower? Because at 4818 Beverly Field Way, you don't need a real one. This all-brick open concept condo was built in 1996. With 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1,207 square feet, what more can you need? As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by a spacious living room with high ceilings. Next to the living room, you have the dining room and sunroom. Next to the dining room is the kitchen. Here's bedroom number 1, the primary, with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Here's bedroom number 2 with a closet and natural light. Here's the 1-car garage and more of the sunroom.